What if I told you there's a simple 60-second reset trick hidden inside almost every modern car that can prevent repair bills of $3,000 or more? It's not in your owner's manual. Your mechanic won't tell you about it. And here's the kicker, 98% of drivers never do it. I've seen cars towed into dealerships with check engine lights blazing, owners panicking, wallets about to be drained, and yet all it took to fix the issue was this free reset procedure. Today, I'll show you exactly how it works, why it saves your car's most expensive components, and how you can perform it at home without tools in less than a minute. Stick with me until the very end, because the last reset I'll reveal doesn't just prevent warning lights. It actually teaches your car to run smoother, shift better, and burn less fuel. But first, let's pull back the curtain on why this trick exists at all. Why resets save you thousands. Modern cars aren't just machines. They're rolling computers. Your engine, transmission, brakes, even your headlights, all run on electronic control modules, or ECMs. Over time, these modules learn your driving habits. That sounds smart, right? But here's the catch. Bad data gets stored too. For example, a dirty air filter causes your ECU to compensate with a rich fuel mix. Even after you replace the filter, the computer may keep running inefficiently. A weak battery causes low voltage signals. When you swap in a new one, your modules still think the system is underpowered. Old transmission fluid causes rough shifting. Even after a fluid change, the transmission control module may continue shifting like something's wrong. In short, your car is stuck in the past, and unless you reset it, you're paying for repairs you don't need. The 60-second master reset trick. Here's the free trick mechanics never explain. It's called a power reset procedure, and in many cases, it works like magic. Step 1. Turn your car off completely. Remove the key or shut down the ignition. Step 2. Disconnect the negative terminal of the battery. Wait at least 60 seconds. Some pros recommend touching the negative cable to the positive briefly with the battery disconnected to drain leftover charge from the system. Step 3. Reconnect the negative cable, tighten it securely, and start the car. That's it. In less than 1 minute, you've wiped stored error codes, cleared temporary glitches, and forced your car's brain to relearn fresh, correct data. Real-world example. Take the case of a Honda Accord owner I spoke with. The car had a check engine light for a fuel-air ratio imbalance. Dealer wanted $1,000 to replace sensors. He performed this simple reset first. Guess what? Light stayed off. Mileage improved, and no repairs were needed. Or a Ford F-150 that kept slamming into gear after a battery change. The TCM had stored corrupted data. After a 60-second reset, shifts smoothed out immediately. Cost saved $3,800, the price of a rebuilt transmission. Why mechanics don't mention this? Now you might be wondering, if it's this easy, why don't mechanics just tell me? Because resets threaten their business model. A shop makes money diagnosing, replacing, and programming. If you fix it in 1 minute for free, that's profit out of their pocket. Of course, not every issue can be fixed with a reset. A broken part is still broken. But according to data from ASE certified techs, up to 50% of electronic warnings are caused by temporary glitches or corrupted learning data. That means half of all warning lights could be solved without spending a dime. Psychological factor. The fear of the unknown. Car warning lights trigger panic. That's why they're bright orange or red. They're designed to grab your attention. And when drivers panic, they usually rush to the mechanic without questioning. This is where the psychology works against you. But here's what smart drivers know. Doing a reset before visiting the shop puts you back in controls. If the light comes back, yes, it's a real issue. But if it stays off, you just dodged a 4-figure repair bill. So let's go deeper into the most common systems this reset protects, and why every driver should make it a habit. System number 1, the check engine light, the most feared light on the dashboard. Sometimes it means a loose gas cap. Other times, it's a failing catalytic converter. The 60-second reset clears stored ghost codes after you've fixed the small stuff. It forces the system to recheck conditions fresh. Pro tip: always retighten your gas cap and perform a reset before scheduling expensive diagnostics. System number 2, the transmission control module. Think of this as the memory of your gearbox. It adapts to your driving, but if you tow heavy loads, drive in stop-and-go traffic, or let fluid wear out, it can store poor habits. Even after fresh fluid, the TCM may keep shifting rough. The reset wipes its memory and forces it to relearn on smooth fluid. Mechanics often charge $200+ for a transmission relearn procedure. You can often trigger it for free in under a minute. System number 3, the throttle response. Ever notice sluggish acceleration after cleaning your throttle body or swapping batteries? That's because the throttle position sensor is out of sync with your ECU. A reset forces recalibration, making your car feel brand new again. Drivers report instant throttle improvement after resets, like turning back the clock on their car's performance. System number 4, idle control. After battery changes, many cars idle rough, stall at stoplights, or rev unpredictably. Why? Because the ECU forgot the correct airflow settings. Resetting allows the system to relearn proper idle patterns, often fixing the issue without replacing sensors. System number 5, air-fuel mixture. If your car runs rich, too much fuel, or lean, too little, you'll burn through gas, foul plugs, and eventually destroy your catalytic converter. Resetting forces the ECU to read fresh sensor data after maintenance. That can instantly restore mileage and prevent thousands in emission-related repairs. System number 6, ABS and traction control. Ever had the ABS or traction control light suddenly pop up after hitting a pothole? Dealerships love charging hundreds for diagnostics, but often it's just a sensor glitch. A quick 60-second reset forces the system to recheck all 4 wheel speed sensors. If they're fine, the light disappears. Cost to you? 0. Cost at the shop? Easily $600+. System number 7, battery management. Newer cars have a battery management system that tracks charging and usage. When you replace your battery, the computer still thinks the old weak battery is in place, leading to flickering lights, weak starts, and charging errors. A reset clears old data and teaches the car to trust the new battery. Skip it, and you risk draining a perfectly good battery in months. System 8, climate control. Has your AC ever blown hot on one side and cold on the other? Many people think it's a failing blend door actuator, a $900 fix. But often, the automatic climate control just needs to recalibrate. A 60-second reset clears stuck data, recycles the actuators, and brings balanced airflow back. System number 9, infotainment and electronics. Touchscreens freezing, Bluetooth refusing to connect, radios stuck on one station. These are all computer glitches. Mechanics sometimes recommend entire module replacements costing thousands. But the truth? In many cases, a reset fixes them instantly. Think of it as restarting your car's laptop. System number 10, power windows and sunroof. After a battery swap, have your windows ever lost their auto-up memory? Or your sunroof stops halfway? These aren't broken motors. They just need a system relearn. A reset is the first step. If it doesn't work, you can perform a simple up and down cycle to reprogram memory. Either way, it saves you from a $500+ dealership reprogramming bill. System number 11, steering and suspension. Electric power steering modules sometimes glitch, making your wheel feel stiff or heavy. Resetting recalibrates the steering angle sensor. This ensures smooth control and prevents premature wear on steering components. Think of it as giving your car a chiropractic adjustment. It realigns the nervous system. System number 12, fuel pump safety switch. Here's one few people know. Some cars, especially Ford and GM models, have an inertia switch that kills fuel delivery after a bump, thinking it's a crash. Mechanics love towing these cars in, only to press the reset button and charge you hundreds. Disconnecting your battery for a minute often clears the lockout, saving you a tow bill. System number 13, adaptive driving habits. Modern cars literally learn how you drive. Hard acceleration, heavy braking, constant city traffic, all these habits are stored. Over time, they can make your car feel sluggish or jerky. By resetting, you wipe those bad habits clean. It's like giving your car a fresh start, letting it relearn as if it just rolled off the factory line. The advanced reset methods mechanics use. Now, not all resets are created equal. Dealerships use specialized scan tools to perform what's called an ECU reflash, or adaptation reset. But here's the secret. They often start with the same 60-second battery disconnect you can do at home. If that doesn't work, they move to advanced resets like OBD2 scanner resets. $30 tools on Amazon can do this. Pedal dance resets, like holding the gas pedal during ignition cycles. Fuse pull methods, removing specific fuses for ABS. TCM or ECM. By learning these methods, you can perform 90% of what dealerships charge, $150 to $250 per reset for free. Bonus hidden. Reset tricks most mechanics won't share. 1. Resetting the idle after a battery change. Ever noticed your car idling rough, revving high, or even stalling after you disconnect the battery? That's because your ECU lost its idle memory. Dealerships call it an idle relearn and charge $120 to $200. But here's the insider move. Start your car, let it warm up until the cooling fan kicks in. Then let it idle in park for 5-10 minutes with no accessories running. That's it. Your car teaches itself the proper idle speed again. 2. Resetting the transmission shift patterns. Modern automatics learn your driving habits, which can make them sluggish or jerky. Resetting the transmission control module wipes those habits clean. Here's how. Turn the key to on, but don't start. Push the gas pedal all the way down for 15-20 seconds. Turn the key off, release the pedal, and wait 2 minutes. Start the car and drive gently. Now, your transmission relearns like new. Shops sometimes charge $180+ for this adaptation reset. 3. Resetting the power steering module. Electric power steering can glitch, making your wheel stiff. The fix? With the ignition on, engine off. Turn the wheel fully left, then fully right. 2 full cycles. Then start the engine. This recalibrates the steering angle sensor. Dealers don't tell you this because they'd rather sell you a $700 steering module replacement. 4. Resetting window auto functions. If your automatic windows stop rolling up or down after a battery change, don't assume the motor is dead. Roll the window all the way down, hold for 5 seconds, then roll it all the way up and hold for another 5. That simple reset restores the auto-up memory. 5. Resetting sunroofs. Sunroof stuck halfway? Don't panic. Hold the sunroof button in the tilt-up position for 10 to 15 seconds until it cycles through fully open and closed. That's the recalibration dealers never explain. 6. Resetting AC climate control bugs. Blowing hot on one side, cold on the other? Try this. With the engine off, hold down the recirculation and defrost buttons for 5 to 10 seconds. You'll hear the blend doors cycle. Reset complete. If not, disconnect the battery for 10 minutes and restart. 7. Resetting your car's brain entirely. the big reset. This is the nuclear option. Disconnect the battery, touch the two battery cables together, not the terminals, the actual cable ends, and hold for 30 seconds. This fully drains stored energy in the system. Reconnect the battery, and your car's ECU, TCM, ABS, climate, and infotainment systems all start fresh. Mechanics call this a hard reset and keep it in their back pocket because it wipes everything. Think about it. Most mechanics make money not just fixing cars, but fixing your fear. They know most drivers don't understand resets, so they let the myths live. But once you know these resets, you're in control. You can try them first, and if the problem persists, then and only then head to the shop. Imagine the power of saving hundreds or even thousands just by holding down a button or waiting 60 seconds. That's what separates smart drivers from paycheck mechanics. So, here's your challenge. The next time a warning light pops up, don't panic. Don't reach for your wallet. Try the 60-second reset trick first. If it works, you've just saved yourself a ton of money. Oh, if it doesn't, you walk into the shop armed with knowledge, confident you're not being scammed. Now, I want to hear from you. What's the most money you've ever spent on a repair that turned out to be something simple? Share it in the comments. Your story might save another driver from making the same mistake. And as always, if this video gave you value, hit like, tap subscribe, and share it with someone who drives. Remember, 98% of drivers skip this trick, but you're not one of them. Stay smart, drive smart, and keep your money in your pocket, not in your mechanics. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who owns a car, because if 98% of drivers skip this trick, you'll be the smart 2% who never gets ripped off.